Hello, welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to show you guys another candy dispenser here. It's the stand-up kind. I have all my items cut out. I actually have my 80 millimeter half of the ornaments. If you guys want to know where you can get these from, the Amazon link will be located in my description, and also the link to purchase this file from my website. So I have my adhesive. This is my brand adhesive. You can find it also on my website. Link will be posted in the description. And I have some hot glue. You don't have to use hot glue. That is your choice. I also have some pop dots for this assembly. You also do not have to use pop dots. So the first thing we're going to do is assemble our spoon mechanism. This is the opening and closing. So we're going to take, all right, so we're going to glue this together. Now we're going to take this piece right here. We're going to take these two flaps and we're going to push them up like this. Now we're going to take our two washers. You want to make sure you use these washers, you guys, so your mechanism can open and move smoothly. So we're going to place our two washers there. And then we're going to take this and we're going to insert it through this slit right here. Like this. And you're going to put those on those brackets. And we're going to open up our brackets like this. So your mechanism should look like this. Now we're going to take our bottom piece here and we are going to glue this over the hole. Like this. Just line it up. You'll be good to go. You don't want to glue this piece to the bottom. So make sure you only put glue on the spots you need it to be on. Alright. And we're going to find our hole opening. And we're gluing it down. Now you're going to take this piece here and we're going to glue it on top. You don't want to glue the spots where your mechanism is moving. Remember that. So we're going to glue all right here. And you can actually, now you can put some small glue on this little strip. So that strip will be connected to the other half of your top. Now let's glue. You gotta be careful if you're gonna glue your little strip down. Be real careful that you don't get glue on the other side because you don't want to glue it that way. Alright. So that's how I'm gluing it, you guys. Line it up. Line it up with your hole as well as your back piece, you guys. That's what I'm trying to get it to do. Just want to show y'all what the inside. So you can see that the thin piece is on top now and not on the bottom. That way my mechanism can still move freely. All right. So once you get that glued down, we are going to glue this other piece here, just like that. And this is going to give us our outline where our ornament should go, instead of us drawing it. So now we're going to take our ornament, bloom, bloom. I want this piece to hang that way, and we're going to take our hot glue and we're going to glue it down. Remember, you don't have to use hot glue. You can use the regular adhesive. I use hot glue to give it the extra hold. So we're going to set that to the side and let it dry a little bit. And we're going to assemble our apple. So for my apple, I'm actually going to be using some pop dots. So I'm going to take some pop tape and just put it on the back. You don't have to use pop dots. That's your choice. But this is what I'm going to be using today. And we also have a small little piece of stem right here, if you guys can see that. That goes at the top. That's going to be hard for me to use pop tape. So I'm going to be just using adhesive. Oh, snap, so much glue. Don't worry about using too much glue if you're using my glue, because it dries clear, but a little does go a long way. Okay, so we got our apple ready. This should be dry now. You guys can see. If you guys are going to glue down the small piece, make sure you don't glue it to the bottom, only the top. This will stop your mechanism from working. Now we are going to take this top and we are going to just place it down. Some of my hot glue got in the way. Let's move that. Just like this. Now you can glue it or pop dot it. I think I'm going to pop it. No, actually, we're gonna glue, y'all. We're gonna glue. Let's glue. See, if you remove that thing, the little piece for your ornament, it doesn't give you that little bump. I think I'm going to start removing them. I'm not sure yet. And so now we have our apple, and what we're going to do is place our apple just like this on top of the ornament. Now you can use regular glue, or you can go ahead and use hot glue. I'm going to be using regular glue for this. Let's just place a strip on across there like that. And then place it on your apple. On your ornament, sorry. Place your apple on your ornament. Now you have a... If you wanted the rush to dry, use hot glue. So I just went back and used some hot glue real quick because I needed it to dry faster for this video. But you guys can still see my glue. It's gonna dry clear though.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop.